Buongiorno, amici. This is Vito's Italian Cucina, and today is a very special day today. That's right. Today, we're going to be doing eggplant lasagna, or melanzana. Lasagna. This is a melanzana. It's an eggplant, which is going to be beautiful. You're going to love this. It's a very simple recipe, and I want you to just stay with me and watch this. And what I did was I sliced everything very thinly, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do. We're going to go over to the stove right now, but first I'm going to show you this is a finished product. Look at how finished and beautiful, beautiful these eggplants. It's a melanzana. It's brown on both sides, and what I did was I put egg white on there first, okay? And why do I put egg white on there? Very simple, because it doesn't, it's like a sponge, eggplant, the melanzana, it's like a sponge. It'll soak in the oil in there, and we go like this, okay? I'm going to put them down, just like this, and it goes just like this, and you put them down. It's very, very simple. And you do the same thing with the zucchini. So back here, of course, I've got my sauce that's been cooking. Look at that maron, look at that sugu. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to start by putting a little bit of oleo on the bottom, some olive oil, and a little bit of sauce. Lasagna. And today, we're going to go ahead and we're going to use the wheat lasagna. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start layering it in there like that. Can you see how I'm going to do that? Easy. Just lay it down, and just on top of there, you put the sauce on the bottom like that and the oleo so it doesn't stick. That's the whole idea. And now I'm just going to put a little layer of spaghetti sauce on top, just like this. Look how simple this is, folks. This is like, now, not brain surgery. You know what I'm saying? The ricotta cheese. Oh, boy. And I'm going to take a little scoop like this, and you're going to put it in like that. Just like little dollops, just like this. Oh, man, this is beautiful. Look at that. Put it in just like it is. So I'm going to come over and get some melanzana. There's our eggplant. And we're going to just layer it just like that. Look at how beautiful that looks. Here's my fungi, which is the mushrooms. And I'm going to go ahead and just sprinkle like that. And then I'm going to get some zucchini. And we're going to put this, like that. And then guess what I'm going to do? Spinach. A little bit of spinach. Can you say it with me? A spinach. Very nice. Okay, you take the spinach and you put it in here like this, because this is going to be great, folks. I'm going to tell you, just layer that in here just like that. And then on top of that, what we're going to do? More sauce, okay? We're going to go just like this, just like that. The last layer of the spaghetti sauce, we got to put the formaggi, which is the cheese, okay? Just like this, okay? Just like that nice layer. Already it's looking great, okay? All right, there we go, and that's it. That's it. Look how gorgeous that looks. Look at this. I'm going to go, oh my God, I'm going to need help getting to the oven. Okay, 350 degrees for 25 minutes. And I'm going to use a pizza pan like that so it don't bubble over. And if it does, it's going to get caught, okay? Isn't that gorgeous? Wow! Can you see that, folks? Holy macaroni!